3 ways to be mindful during a chaotic day at work. Work can be one of the most stressful parts of a person's life, and chaotic days at work are even worse. To both be productive at work and enjoy your life, it is important to learn how to be mindful amidst the work chaos. Here are 3 ways to be mindful during a chaotic day at work. 3 ways to be mindful at work. 1. Use your breaks wisely. Although it can be tempting to pull out your phone and mindlessly scroll through social media, one of the best ways to be mindful at work is to use your breaks wisely and intentionally. Try to use your break time to recharge and reset physically, mentally, and emotionally. For example, try meditative breathing, gratitude journals, or journaling in general to try to be mindful during your work break. If none of those ideas work for you, then simply find a way to recharge your batteries while still being present in the moment. If you use your work breaks more wisely, you will be more energized and level-headed when you get back to work. As a result, you will be able to be more productive, handle your projects better, and connect with your coworkers. 2. Learn how to say no. At work, it can be tempting to agree to nearly every project that gets placed on your desk. Obviously, you want to do your best and put your best foot forward for getting a bonus or promotion. However, saying yes to all tasks is not always in your or your company's best interest. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or overworked, you need to learn how to say no if you agree to all projects, especially when you feel overwhelmed. Both you and the work will suffer, which is not the best strategy for being an efficient and functional worker. When you say no to a project, make sure you remain professional and respectful. Simply explain that you have too much work on your plate already. Ask if someone else can handle the job, or ask if you can accomplish the task at a later date. Chances are, expressing your stress and inability to properly perform the function will be the better option in the long run. 3. Be a single tasker. Everyone likes to think of themselves as a multitasker, which is when you try to do 2 or more tasks at the same time or switching back and forth between them. Even if you think you are a great multitasker, our brains are best at operating on one task at a time. For this reason, it is wise to be a single tasker, meaning someone who focuses on one task at a time at work. When you focus all your efforts on one project or task, your mind is able to fully process and comprehend the challenges in front of you. As a result, you perform better, are more productive, and feel more connected with the work. To become a single tasker, try to keep a time journal because it can be difficult to know when you are multitasking. In your journal, write down exactly what you achieved in a certain block of time. This will tell you when you are single tasking or multitasking. Adjust your habits accordingly. Final thoughts. To recap, work can be extremely stressful, making it important to be mindful throughout the day. Using your breaks wisely, learning when to say no, and becoming a single tasker are the best ways for becoming mindful at work.